Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at the £3,000 RocwooD Electric Winch. This 8.8kg winch comes in a nice sturdy box featuring the product image on the front, as well as a skew on the side. It's got plastic ties on it to keep the box nice and secure when shipping. This winch has high tensile precision engineered gears and a seamless clutch action on our gearbox. This provides the quality to be able to lift 300 pounds. The winch features a permanent magnet motor that supplies excellent line pull and a faster speed. The winch also comes in its own special box, featuring pictures on the front of where you can mount it. Here are the specifications for the product. It has a 3-spool pull and push clutch, along with the drum diameter being 1.5 inch by 2.83 inches. It has an intermittent duty cycle, along with a fair lead roller. Its gear ratio is 153:1, and its gear train is 1-stage plant entry. Its molting bolt pattern is 80mm, and rated line pull is 3,000 pounds. Its weight is 8.8kg, and the winch dimensions are length 297mm, width 118mm, and height 107mm. Here is what the winch setup looks like when it's all connected together. The winch will function when it's connected to your car battery. The winch comes with a Varian RocwooD tag to be able to clip onto the hook. It also comes with 2 remote controls, the ability to control the winch without touching it. It also comes with a connected switch, so it connects to the wires so there's no interference when controlling the winch. The 3000 LBS winch also comes with its own separate winch plate. Here are the dimensions for it. In addition, it also comes with a galvanized steel wire at 4.76mm by 13 meters. On the cables for the winch, there are these little yellow tags if you get stuck when assembling your winch. Each one of these cables follows the correct area and is to help you put it together. The wires also have cover caps on the ends of them. These can be put over the end when the screw has been put on. The little metal hoop goes in between the 2 screws. You can also see it comes with a heavy duty hook to be able to hook onto things. Now that you've watched the main video for one of our winches, it's now to the comparisons. We have 4 winches in the RocwooD lineup, one at 3000 LBS, 4500 LBS, 13500 LBS, and another one at that as well. From this picture on the screen, as you can see, I've put them in the size scale. The smaller ones can be used for smaller pickup trucks, whereas the bigger ones can be used for more commercial uses or for lifting heavier things. All of the winches all operate the same, however the major difference is the smaller winches come with their own winch plate that can be removed, however the bigger ones, being so big, just get directly mounted onto the vehicle. If you're interested about learning more about our other winches in depth, we have some videos also uploaded. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.